Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we are drawing a
Car.
we're drawing a car. And by the way, shout out to here we go. So easy. We've got our paper in the landscape position.
Okay.
So this way, not this way. This is portrait and this is landscape. So let's go. So for starters, what does a car have? What's the main thing of a car?
Wheel.
It's wheels. So we're going to draw two circles, one there and one over there. So draw a nice neat little circle, as neat as you can, and another neat circle. Okay, as neat as you can. Freehand, we're just drawing it for fun. Okay, now we're going to draw a line between the two circles, lower down between the two circles. And we're going to continue with the line back there. And we're going to do a bit of a line there. So now we have the bottom line of the car itself, the body of the car. So we need to connect these lines over the wheels. So we're going to do this. That's an arch. And on the other side as well, we draw another arch over the wheel. So now we've got two wheels and we've got part of the car's body over the
Yep.
Okay. So now we're going to draw a line going up to the and in the car's body, we're going to draw a headlight. Because the car needs lights in front so it can, when you drive at night, it can shine.
Yep.
And now we're going to go up here at the back and we're going to draw a tail light or backlight of the car. Got it? Now we're going to draw a line from here, go over the car till just behind the front arch here. Just behind the front wheel. We'll just draw a line till there. Yep. And now above this wheel here, we draw a line going back over there. Line going up, just at an angle like that, on this side as well. And now we can connect the roof line. And there we have the basic shape of the car. We have a car with two wheels and a headlight and a tail light.
Yep.
You have the same, let me see. That's correct, that's correct. So now we draw a circle inside this. And in the rear wheel as well. And we draw a circle down in the middle here. Smaller one. And now we can add spokes. See, I'm just adding double lines. Like just two lines going in all the directions. And then we have a nice little wheel. You see your wheel? Okay, that's good. So easy. How many doors do you think your car should have? 4 doors. So that people can get in the back and in the front. Excuse me. So now we need to draw those doors. So just here in the middle, straight in the middle, between these two, I'm going to draw two lines. You see that? Got
Yep.
it? Okay. So now this one is going to form a front window. And this one is going to form a rear window. Got that? Yep. Now we're going to add a line to make it go down there.
Yes.
Bring it back up there and we follow the arch and we bring it up to that line again. And we can add a door handle so that you can grab onto something when you open the door. And we're gonna do the same for the front door. Line there. And this can go straight up. And we have a line for the front door, and we do a triangle. And there you have your little car. One more thing, Izzy.
Yeah.
When your dad goes to the petrol station, we need to have a fuel cap. So that little door opens so that the petrol attendant can drop in some fuel.
Yeah.
Now we draw a little light down here, because that's an indicator light, or blinker as it's known in America. Blinker.
I can see.
It's the indicator light. So when we turn, you show which way you're gonna turn,
Oh, yes.
and then the left light will flicker or blink, and or the right one, depending which way you want to turn, so that other people on the road knows what you're gonna do. Because it's dangerous if nobody knows what the other person's gonna do. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That was rather simple. That was quick and easy. I like your car. So, time for color.
Yep.
What are you gonna do, Izzy? As like I told Atik today, if the car's not red, it can't go fast. So what do you want to do? You want to have a blue car, red car, green car, yellow car, purple car, white car? Then you don't get to color anything. I'm gonna go with a purple car.
Yeah, I see. I see.
Okay, here we go. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our cars. So we both ended up going with purple cars. I don't know why. My windows are blue and Izzy's windows are rolled down. Am I right? That's
the
why-
window must be my book.
I know the window's clear. I just made it blue so that you can see it's glass. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. And always remember to be good
And have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
Bye.